So I'd like to just understand your views in terms of how you think this morning has gone in terms of interacting with the placement officers downstairs.
I think it is brilliant. I had a pretty interactive session with the placement officers this morning. Though I spoke about employability largely from a behavioral perspective, like interpersonal, personal, and communication skills which is required. And I was trying to cover two major aspects: why we need to look at it and how do we look at it. So I think it fairly went well, and I think it's a good program. I think we should have this more often. And especially I think with UK-India Education Research Initiative, I think my organization has also taken an initiative to bring in few interns from the UK over to our company in Bangalore, and they've been working with us for the last 9 months. So it's a cross-cultural program with UCRI, and I believe it has got tremendous potential.
Thank you. I mean, today we had both industry, or three parties, industry, academics, and the placement officers together. Is that something you think would be useful going forward?
Of course, yes. As a marketing manager for a company like Wipro, we are planning a large annual placement officers meet in the month of July. So it's basically placement officers and industry that we are looking at. But we are also looking at the faculty who are the academicians through a different program that our organization runs, which is called Mission 10X, which is Train the Trainer program. So I believe with the tie-up of UK government and the India government, we are trying to scale this to a larger audience, will definitely add value to the kind of outcome that we are getting from the colleges. So I think it makes sense to do it more often, and do it more often with academicians, placement officers, and with industries.
And any views in terms of what that frequency might be?
Oh, it's difficult to comment, but I'm not sure how much time can the industry spend on this today. Now that's a call that different companies take at an individual level. But I think some part of it should be mandated to industries as well in different countries as part of their CSR, corporate social responsibility, to spend time with academicians and with institutions. If the government can put that across, and if the industries can be a little more proactive, I think this should be done at least in a quarter, once in a quarter sort of thing.
In terms of looking into the future, what sorts of skills do you think students are likely to need if I went out maybe 2 or 3 years from now?
Skills can vary. It can be technical skills, it can be the generic skills. But if you look at it, I think the foremost important thing is the generic and the life skills. If the students are equipped with a good or the right attitude, as we put it across, and a good amount of communication and behavioral and mannerisms, I think the rest can be built on. But having said that, I think this might move to a different direction altogether, where there are multiple researchers working on this, and I see this moving to a very customized approach of molding a talent and supplying that talent to the industry. So it might move to a bit of customization of education in the future, but at the same time, if a person has got a right behavioral and the right attitude, the rest of the skills can be trained. But there are certain skills which are not trainable. That needs to come from the elementary education of a particular country or from the college days itself. I would rather say it should start from the school days and then scale it up through the college days, and make the person a good individual first before you try and bring in some technical competency in that individual.
We'll just pause for a second.